Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to renew Allianz policies online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to renew your Allianz policy online, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in Allianz login. Then once logged in or search user loads, simply tap on the login to your account link given to you. That will lead you to the login portal of the Allianz. Now here all you gotta do is enter in your username or email. Then once done, enter in your password, and once that's done, simply tap on login. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is open My Policies. On your dashboard, as you scroll down, you'll find an option that says My Policies. Simply tap on that, and if that doesn't work, then simply tap on the three horizontal bar at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll find an option that says My Policies. And inside My Policies, you'll see health policy, car insurance, travel insurance, home insurance, and life insurance. Tap the one you want to renew. Then look for Renew Policy option. This may be labeled as Renew Now, Renew Policy, Extend Coverage, Continue Policy, and Extend Insurance Period. Simply tap on it. Then review your renewal offer. Allianz shows new coverage period, premium amount, benefits and limits, any changes in the policy, and all you gotta do is take your time and read it slowly. Then lastly, what you need to do is update details if needed. Some renewals require you to confirm contact details, address, payment info, and family members if on a family plan, update if needed, and then choose payment method from common options like debit or credit card, online banking, direct debit, and select your preferred method. Then lastly, tap on Pay and Renew. After payment is completed, renew is successful, and you will receive updated policy certificate, new policy period, and receipt of the payment. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.